Morning, students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well and good. Today, I am going to discuss with you a few important questions from the chapter The Browning Version. So, students, I have already explained this chapter and the question and answers. Now, I am going to discuss with you a few important questions and answers. So, students, let's start. The first question is, what do you learn about Tableau from the initial conversation between him and Mr. Frank? Answer. Tableau is a boy of 16. He is still in the lower fifth. He can't specialize until the next term if he gets his form division all right. Since his master, Mr. Crocker Harris, has not told him the result, he will have to wait till the next day to learn his fate. Next question. What is remove? How do students get it? Answer. Remove is the certificate of passing a form in the school. Student, I must tell you, form means class और remove means pass होना. ठीक है ना? तो मैंने ना ये चैप्टर पहले ही एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूँ मैं. आई ऑलरेडी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. इवन इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टी, एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेरी, तो यू कैन आस्क मी थ्रू दी व्हाट्सएप मैसेज और phone call. Okay, so I am always ready to help you. As a rule, the form results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of school. However, it seems that most teachers leak it to their students before that date. Next question. Why did Tableau have to stay back at school? Answer. Tableau had missed a day at school the previous week. So, Mr. Crocker Harris had called him for extra work. Now, next question. Which course of study did Tableau prefer and why? Answer. Tableau preferred science to literature. He found a good deal which was more exciting than his play, which he considered quite unpleasant. Next question. What did Crocker Harris say when Tableau asked him about his remove? Answer. Crocker Harris told Tableau that he had got what he deserved. However, he refused to tell him that what exactly his remove was. Next question. Still, there is one comfort. What does Frank mean by these words? Answer. Frank means to say that although being called for extra work on the last day of school seems bad luck, Tableau can take comfort with the thought that this action will imply the certainty of Tableau's getting his remove. Next question. Did Tableau like being called for extra work? क्या टेबलो को ये अच्छा लगा कि उसे एक्स्ट्रा वर्क के लिए दिया गया? तो नाउ आंसर नो. टेबलो wanted to play golf instead of coming to Mr. Crocker Harris for extra work, but he did not want to disobey or annoy Mr. Harris, so he was ready for doing extra work. Next question. How according to Tableau is Mr. Crocker Harris unlike other masters? तो टेक्नो के लिए क्रॉकर हैरिस किस तरह से अदर मास्टर्स अदर टीचर्स की तरह नहीं थे? आंसर. अदर मास्टर्स वुड सर्टेनली गिवन अ चैप ऑफ फॉर्म आफ्टर टेकिंग हिज एक्स्ट्रा वर्क, बट मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस इज अनलाइक देम. When Tableau asked him about his form, he told the boy that he had given him exactly what he deserved, no less and certainly no more. Tableau is separate that he might have marked him down rather than up for taking extra work. Next question. What suggestions of Frank shocked Tableau? Why? Answer. Frank had suggested that Tableau could cut Crocker Harris because the latter was already 10 minutes late. These suggestions shocked Tableau because he could not even think of doing such a thing. Next question. How does Frank react when Tableau refuses to cut Crocker Harris? यानी कि वो क्रॉकर हैरिस की क्लास को जो उसे वर्क दिया था उसे छोड़ के क्यों नहीं जो है वो जा रहा था. जब फ्रैंक ने उससे कहा कि आप जा सकते हो, है ना, यू कैन कट क्रॉकर हैरिस, यानी कि दैट मीन्स कि यू कैन गो अवे, है ना, दैट मीन्स यू कैन लीव दी एक्स्ट्रा वर्क because Crocker is already 10 minutes late. So now answer. On the occasion, Frank is unable to hide his real feelings. He admits that he feels envious of Crocker Harris for keeping his students so scared of him. Surprisingly, he asked Tableau if Crocker Harris beats his student. Now next question. What is funny about Tableau's attitude towards Crocker Harris? Answer. The funny aspect of Tableau's attitude towards Crocker Harris is the fact that he likes Mr. Harris in spite of having resentment against him. On many counts, he himself admits so, saying that he can't help it. Can't help it means कि वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता था. He himself admits, उसने इस बात को खुद ही माना है टेबलो ने कि so saying that he can't help it, कि इसके सिवाय कुछ कर भी तो नहीं सकता. तो now next question. What happened when Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his classical jokes? Answer. When Crocker Harris made one of his classical jokes, none of the students understood it and so nobody laughed. But Tableau knew that Mr. Crocker Harris had meant it as funny, so out of common politeness, he laughed at the joke. The teacher was happy that Tableau had understood the joke while others didn't. So, he told him to explain the joke to the class. It was a difficult task for Tableau because he himself had not understood it. Next question. What leads Mr. Frank to comment, I am sure you are exaggerating? Answer. कि तुम बात को बड़ा चढ़ा के बता रहे हो, तो ऐसा वो फ्रैंक ने बोला ना, तो उसके बारे में. Tableau says that Mr. Crocker Harris seems to hate people to like him. यानी कि मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस को लोग पसंद करें, ये उन्हें इस बात से उन्हें नफरत थी. Yet, in spite of everything, Tableau does rather like him. He can't help it. He thinks that sometimes Mr. Crocker Harris notices it and that seems to shrivel him up even more. This observation of Tableau seems far-fetched. So Mr. Frank remarks that he is exaggerating. How does Tableau refuse the charge that he is exaggerating? Answer. Tableau says that the other day Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his classical jokes in the class. Nobody understood, so no one laughed. At last, Tableau laughed because he knew the master had meant it as funny. He did so out of ordinary common politeness. Secondly, he felt a bit sorry for him for having made a poor joke. Mr. Crocker Harris did not praise Tableau for it. Next question. Do you think Frank enjoyed or disliked Tableau's imitation of Crocker Harris? Answer. Although Frank snubbed Tableau for his imitation of Crocker Harris, he seems to have liked it because asked Tableau to imitate him once more again. How do Frank and Tableau react on the arrival of on Millie Crocker? Answer: their reactions differ. Frank feels infinitely relieved at seeing her. Maybe he was waiting for her. Tableau is, on the other hand, frightened. He wonders if Millie has heard what he spoke about her husband. He is afraid that if the matter is reported to Crocker Harris, he might not get his remove. Next question. Where did Millie send Tableau? What was her purpose? Answer: Millie sent Tableau to a chemist to bring medicines according to prescription. Thus, he could do jobs for him, and she promised that she would take the blame if he came before Tableau returned. Next question. You know what he is like, sir, says Tableau. What leads him to say so? What light does this throw on the man talked about? Answer: Tableau does not know if he has got his form. It is because his master, Mr. Crocker Harris, does not tell them the result like the other masters. He is a bit different when Frank says about the rule that form results should be announced by the headmaster on the last day of the term. Tableau says that none else except Mr. Crocker Harris pays attention to it. This shows that the man is strict for rules. What kind of a person was Crocker Harris? Answer: Mr. Crocker Harris was a strict man who was more feared than respected. He was reserved and not much social. He was different from other teachers. He would not do things such as leaking papers to please the students. He did not like flattery. Next question. Comment on the attitude shown by Tableau towards Crocker Harris. Answer: Crocker Harris, according to Tableau, is a strict disciplinarian. He follows all the rules and regulations which others do not bother to follow. Even on the last day of the school, he calls Tableau for extra work. Besides, he does not entertain any flattery from the students in spite of this. Tableau respects him for his values. Next question. What do you learn about the system of education in old British schools from the play, the Browning version? Answer: in old British schools, stress was laid on the study of classical language, Latin and Greek. Students of the lower fifth were made to learn a classic play like the Agamemnon. Since the stress was on the acquisition of language, the students found it uninteresting and very unpleasant. They could specialize only after completing fifth form. Students were kept in or called for extra work. They were mortally afraid of a teacher like Mr. Crocker Harris, who would abide by rules and show no human feelings. At the same time, the school had teachers who were sadists and others who would break the rules and tell results to the students. Students like Tableau were afraid of headmasters like Mr. Crocker Harris. Still, they liked him. Next question. What impression do you get of Frank from the play? Answer. Frank is a teacher at a good school. The other teacher in the play is Crocker Harris, who actually never comes on the stage. We learn about Mr. Harris only from the conversation that goes on between Frank and Tableau. However, when compared to Harris, Frank appears to be a petty person. Frank suffers from envy against Crocker Harris. He provoked Tableau to comment on Harris and enjoys the latter's imitation of him. However, when he finds Tableau is in awe of Mr. Harris and cannot think of displeasing him, he can't hide his feelings and admits that he feels envy of him. He has no love for science, which he teaches. This shows his dishonesty towards his profession. In short, character of Frank is a counterfoil of the character of Crocker Harris, which shines because of Frank. Next question. Crocker Harris does not appear on the scene, yet we know much of him. Explain. Crocker answer. Crocker Harris is the main character of the play Browning version. He does not make a physical entry throughout the play. The author has presented him indirectly and so perfectly that we get a crystal clear picture of Crocker Harris. There is a young teacher, Frank, and his students, Tableau, who get into a discussion. Tableau gives details of Crocker Harris and tells him that his teacher is totally different from the other teachers. To the surprise of Frank, Tableau says that Crocker Harris is a man of principles and sticks to rules without getting emotional, angry, and prejudiced. He further tells him that Crocker Harris is not a sadist and does not punish a student physically. Yet, students are afraid of him. So, we feel the presence of Crocker Harris, a middle aged teacher who is cool and calm. He is a morally high placed person. What impression, next question, what impression do you form of Mr. Crocker Harris on the basis of reading the play, the Browning version? Answer. Crocker Harris is a teacher who teaches Greek to the lower fifth to form a good school. He is in charge of the form and as such he alone knows about the result of the student of his form, which are to be officially announced the next day. From Tableau's comments about Crocker Harris, we learn that he is a teacher who takes his teaching very seriously. We learn that even on the day when he is leaving the school for good, he has called a student for extra work because the said student has missed a day last week. He is the one who doesn't like to be flattered. He will judge a student only by his merit and not because of any prejudice. It is a tribute to his character that although students like Tableau do not like his severity, yet they love and respect him from the core of their hearts. So student, thank you very much for listening and watching this video and have a good day.